Hi, I'm going to show you today how to look at feedback from your instructor on your assignments. We're especially going to look at how to view video and audio feedback. In your class, go to My Grades and then Class Progress. Scroll down to Assignments and then click on the assignment. Will take you to this screen. You're going to need to follow the breadcrumb at the top to click on Assignments. From this page, you can see all of your feedback on your different assignments. I can see here it's unread, so let me click on this. I can see here that I submitted twice. I made an 82. Let's see what the feedback is. Okay, here I can see the feedback on the rubric. I see my score. Here I can see the feedback that my instructor has given me from an uploaded document. Here is audio feedback. Here is video feedback. And I can also see my original uploads. Here, I can view inline feedback. If my instructor has graded it online, and you can hover over the pieces here and see the feedback. So those are the different feedback options that your instructor may have given you, and all of them are available on this page called Assignments. Remember, the way to get to this page is from My Grades, Class Progress. Click on Assignments. Click on any assignment. Follow the breadcrumb. And here are all the ways to view your feedback. If you have questions about your feedback, be sure and ask your instructor. Thanks.